So we are a software company focused on the enterprise architecture management space, and we provide tooling and expertise to help our customers change by design and thrive through change.
Okay. Together with the digital leaders here, you followed the keynote of Gartner. What was the important highlight for you and the message from the Gartner analysts?
So I think the key message from the Gartner analysts was, we've been through times of great disruption recently. There's current events going on, disrupting supply chains, and obviously the climate challenge that we have. And that we're never going back to some nice, stable operating environment. And there's a real challenge for enterprises and organizations to have a mindset and ability to really deal with these ongoing disruptions on an ongoing basis. So it's dealing with constant change.
Yeah, the presentation is about architectural excellence at Shell. And as you can imagine, that Shell is going through an enormous transformation, also with society, with the energy transition. And we believe we can do that as change by design. And that is where the presentation is all about.
Okay. And you also choose for some vendors and a special vendor to do this journey.
Yeah. 3.5 years ago, we went through a large selection process to find out if you want to do this try to do it in one toolbox. Is that possible? And we came to the conclusion that with Bizzdesign this was possible. So 3.5 years ago, we embarked on that journey.
Okay. What's so special about this solution? Because I also understand that you are able to execute better the processes.
Yeah, that's the whole point. If you do change by design, it's the combination of, if you want to optimize your processes throughout the company, you have to understand what your data does and what your systems and your solutions that enable that, how that works together. And Bizzdesign is one of the few tools in the world that can bring that analytical capability on all those three elements together.
There are a lot of CIOs here. They're doing a journey. They have to change. They're doing a lot of changes. What is your message to all the other digital leaders here, from your experience?
That's an interesting one, because it feels a little bit like an architect telling the CIO what's actually the best thing ever, and that architecture is then the answer. Unfortunately, the answer is change by design. You can do change, but if you have no clue how to do it on a proper manner, and you don't have the analytical capabilities to do that analysis from A to B, what is then your journey as a CIO?
So my message would be, think about how to build that agility into your business. How can you design business capabilities to be modular, to be composable, so you can rapidly reconfigure to create new products and services, or deal with new kinds of disruptions in your supply chains or security landscape or whatever.